Hey, to record voice on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, all you have to do is just to open the app drawer and you have to find the voice recorder application. In my case, it appears just right here. So I can click on it, accept permissions, and now to start recording we have to just click on this red button and accept another permission. As you can see, now we can actually bookmark by clicking on this icon. If you want to pause, just click here, click OK, and now we can actually go back and you can actually play and check how it sounds. You can see now we can actually bookmark by clicking. Now we can actually continue by going here and clicking on the record button. And if you want to finish this record, just click right here. From this you can set the custom name and even the custom category. Then click save. And now you can find your record just right here. Before you start recording, I can also recommend you to click on the three dots, go to the settings, and from this you can even increase the record quality. You can also block calls while recording, and for example you can use the Bluetooth microphone when available. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe.